Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Apvectorstudio. My name is Atep, I am from Indonesia. In today's videos, I'm going to show you how to add bleed in Adobe Illustrator. If you are preparing a design for free, knowing how to set up bleed is super important to avoid those unwanted white edges in your final product. Whether you're beginner or seasoned designer, this tutorial will guide you step by step through adding bleed and ensuring your design is print ready. So let's jump in. To add bleed in Adobe Illustrator, follow these steps. Point 1. Open your Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Go to the File and click New or press Ctrl plus N for Windows and CMD plus N for Macs. Point 2. Set the bleed in New Document Windows. In the New Document Windows, you will see option labeled Bleed. Enter the desired bleed values for all sides, usually 0.125 inch or 3 millimeters. The values should be the same for all sides for the consistent bleed margin. Point 3. Adjust the bleed for an existing document. If you are working on the existing document, go to File and click Document Setup. In the Document Setup window, you will find the bleed section, where you can input or adjust the bleed values. Point 5. Design element extend beyond the artboard. Make sure that any design elements such as background image or colors extend beyond the artboard to the bleed grids. This ensures that the front edges won't leave any white lines. Point 5. Export the final document with bleed. Go to the File, Save As, or File Export and click Save for Print. Select PDF, your preferred format, then go to the Marks and Bleed section and check the User Document Bleed Setting box. You can also adding the crop marks if needed by checking the trim mark option. And that's, you know how to add bleeds in your design in Adobe Illustrator. It's a small but essential step to make sure your printed projects looks perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below down if you have any question or suggestion for the future videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the new content. Thank you so much. Happy designing.